Hey guys, my name is Arslan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is add to array form of integer. We will be solving this question with the help of JavaScript. So let's start this question. The question says the array form of an integer num is an array representing its digit in left to right order. For example, for num is equal to 1 3 2 1, the array form is 1 3 2 1. Given the array, given the num, the array form of an integer and an integer k, return the array form of the integer num plus k. So I hope that most of you have understood this question, and if you have not understood this question, let's read some example mentioned below and understand this question. So yeah, there's an input num1200 and we have a value of k. So if we add these values here, we will be getting 1200 plus 34, that will equal 1200 plus 34 is equal to 1234. Then we have to split this value and get this output here. Alright, so we have to add them and then we have to split them into and push them into array. And to do that, we will be just using some methodology. I will be just explaining to you how we'll be solving this question. And just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Alright, so let's start it. First of all, I will be creating let temp str is equals to an empty array. So you see, we have to just create this into this form. All right, so if I add these numbers 1200, what I will be getting if it's in integer form? Let's discuss this first. So if I add 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, we will be getting what? If it is an integer form, it we will be getting what? 12. However, if I just add them in the form of string, I will be getting 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0. So what I will be getting here is I will be getting 1200. So instead of using them in the form of integer, what I can do here is I can use them in the form of string. So let's do that, and to do that I have to just create a loop and just put them in the concatenate them in the temp str. All right, so for let num of nums, I will be saying, all right, for let num n of nums, not nums, for let n of nums, I will be saying that temp str plus is equals to n. So since n is a form of integer, it will not be concatenated, so I have to convert it into form of a string. So I will be saying that dot to string. Before that, it cannot be concatenated because n is in the form of integer, and I have to convert them into string. So now I carry temp str is carrying 1200 finally, but that too in the form of string. Now I have to convert it into back into integer. All right, so I will be saying that temp, uh, or else I can say that temp output is equals to what? Number uh, number temp str plus k. So now I have to convert it into a string and add this 34, this value. So what I will be having now is now what I will be having is now I will be having 1 2 3 4. All right, so now I will be carrying this in the form of integer. This is in the form of integer, and I have to split it. We cannot split it into if it's in the form of what? Integer. So we have to convert it back into form of string. So I can say that here, what I can say that temp output is equals to temp output dot to string dot split, and here we go. All right, so if I split it now, what I will be getting here is this, and I will be saying that temp output dot to string dot split. And if I return temp output and run this, let's see what we have got. Yep, see, it's working. So I hope that you have understood this question. What I did here is, first of all, I just converted it into form of what? I just convert it in the form of integer. Then this in this here, what I did here is I say that temp output, since it's the form of integer, it cannot be split. So what split? It splits means to convert them in the form of list. All right. So now what I will be having in temp output here is temp output would be carrying this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have got the answer we were targeting. So temp output is equal to temp output dot string to string. We have to convert them in the form of string, and then we can split. And a split functions is the form of is the function of array. And if you apply here, then you will be just splitting this. All right, so if you're not giving it any space, that means you are just splitting it each individual digit. So I hope that you've understood this question and understand the explanation I have explained you. So guys, if you have still have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.